So you might be trying to go ahead and actually tag someone on Instagram Reels. But make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. First, make sure that the app has been updated to the last version, because the older version of the app may not have some options. To update your app to the last version, you need to find an App Store or Play Store. If you have found the App Store, means your device on iOS system. If you have found the App Play Store, means your device on the Android system. Now open these apps. On the Android system, tap on profile icon at the top right corner. Then I prepare for you example what we need to do. You just tap on App Store and Game, as you can see like on this screenshot. And then you will see all available updates for your device at the moment. And you just tap on Update here one by one, or update all your available updates for your device. On the iOS system, go all way App Store. Tap on Profile at the top right corner here. You should press and hold on any space of the screen and swipe from top to down, like I. As you can see, we reload this page. Just tap on Update All. First thing we should to do is open up Instagram app and create new Reels. Just swipe on home page from right to left to create some post. And here you will see at the bottom post, stories, reels and live. We should select reel. And for example, I create some reels. Alright, in some version you will see here preview or next. Just tap on preview or next in this right side of the screen. Tap on next again, scroll down a little bit and you will see tag people. Tap on this option. Then tap this plus button. Enter here username that you want to tag, for example this one. Also, if you wanna add someone again, just tap on add tag and select anyone. Then again tap on add tag, enter username, then tap on this username. As you can see, I tag 3 people, but you can add as much as you want. Then tap on done at the top right corner. And of course, share these reels to your Instagram profile. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.